I'm going to show you guys how to make a sensory bin for our theme this week. Our theme is fruits and vegetables, so I'm going to make a gardening bin. In here right now I have rubber mulch that I got at Lowe's. I know a lot of you guys won't have this at home, so if you go outside and you find some dirt, you can put it in any kind of bin. I got this bin at Target. It's like $1. And it has a nice top, so if you're all done with your sensory bin, you can close it, but then you can come back to it later. So you can get some dirt from outside. You can get, I have some brown beans that I've used in this bin before. So we're gonna need something for the dirt. Then I also have these little planters that I got, and we can either put them right in there, and that's what you can fill up with your dirt, or any kind of cup. If you have a plastic cup at home, you can use that as a little planter. So you're gonna be able to fill it up with the dirt. I have these little corns that we can plant. We have little corns. I got all these fake little plants, all different kinds. These ones I got at Michael's. They came in like a whole sheet, and I just cut them all apart. So we're going to be able to put some plants down. I have some of these. They're little Easter eggs, but they're shaped like carrots. We can put those in. Or if you have any pretend food at home, you can plant your own garden. So I can have a pumpkin in there. I have some broccoli that I can plant. I'm going to take these corns out for now. And I have these tools for your little garden. So you can use the little rake, you can use the shovel. I have little gardening gloves. You can even use your winter gloves if you want to use those. And I got some seeds from different vegetables that we can put in there too. So this one, let's see, is a beet seed. Let's see what that looks like. These beet seeds are very little teeny tiny seeds that you can plant inside of your cup. I have some corn seeds, and I have some green beans. Let's see how these ones look. These ones are big. So you can plant some of these seeds, or you can plant some beans and pretend that they're seeds. It's up to you. I'm going to take all of my stuff out. I think I'm just going to leave mine with the dirt for today. So I'm going to plant some of my broccoli. I have some of my other plants in here. Let's see. I also have some bugs that I can have living in my little garden. There's a little cricket that can live in there. I have a little ant that can live in there too. And I'm going to plant one of my carrots. You can put some beans in there. And you can use your tools to make your own little garden. I hope you guys have fun with it.